So we have introduced all the cost terms in the one-to-one basic model. Remember the four cost terms, which is a run cost by unit cost times the headway, and then the waiting cost given by the unit cost times the headway plus the transportation time. And then for the transportation cost, there's a fixed cost. We will have a stopping cost, mileage cost, and then the headway times the demand rate. And then the last is a variable cost, which is just a unit variable cost term. So let's consider an example. Suppose that we have two locations, A and B, and then we want to ship the milk from A to B, and we know the parameters. First, we know that the headway between each shipment is 1 month, and then the transportation time from A to B, let's say is 1 day. Okay, and then the distance, let's say is 13 miles. And then we know that the demand rate is 1 gallon per day. See the run cost, unit run cost, $10 per gallon per year. Then the unit weight cost, I see $1.5 per gallon per year. And then the stopping cost, $150 for a truck to stop by. And then let's see the mileage cost, unit mileage cost is $3 per mile. And then the unit variable cost, let's see 1.2 per gallon. So the first step is to make the unit consistent, especially for the time related parameters. So we have seen that the headway is 1 month, the transportation time is 1 day, and then the demand rate is based on per day. So for simplicity, we convert all these demands into all these parameters into years. Okay, so in this sense, the headway actually is a 1/12 year. That means like 1 year you have 12 shipments. And then the TM, let's say 1 year we have 365 days. So the TM will be 1/365 year. And then we also convert the demand rate to per year. So that means we'll have 365 gallon per year. Okay, after this conversion, all the units related to time are based on years. So with all the parameter, the run cost equals to 10 times 1/12 equals to 0.833. Okay, the weight cost 1.5 times 0.129. And then fixed cost equals to 150 plus 3 times 13 divided by times demand rate equals 214. And then the variable cost 1.2. So the total holding cost equals to the run cost plus the weight cost equals to 0.962. And the total transportation cost equals to 7.414. Okay, so the total cost equals to the sum of the two cost terms. Remember, this is per item.